going, guys? Gatlin here. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are enjoying watching all those little clips of us bringing this car here to the shop. So that is just a small little part of the reveal video for this car, and I want you guys to stay tuned for what we have in store for this car. We're going to end up completely restoring this thing back to its original luster. If you guys know anything about AZ-1 AutoZams, this car was not originally yellow. They were never even built in yellow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all the panels off this car. We're gonna make a separate video about that, and we're gonna bring the car back to its original red color. We're gonna be adding a wing to the vehicle on the back here. If you guys remember the blue one that we had here in the shop, we installed a very similar wing on that vehicle and also painted it to match the entire car. Craig and I are gonna be taking you through the entire process on this thing on how to restore your Mazda AZ-1 AutoZam. And if you don't have one, well, guess what, guys? This one will be for sale after the restoration is done. So I want you guys to make sure you check out this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, both to my channel and to BONSAI Rides on YouTube. And make sure you guys stay tuned for what we have going on for this car. Thanks for watching, and we'll be keeping you updated, and we'll be seeing more videos as the progression on this car starts. First thing we'll be doing is disassembly, and I'll take you guys through that. Catch you guys soon.